Are you tired of working for someone else, building their dream while your own goals fade into the background? What if I told you there's a way out, a step-by-step blueprint to take control of your life, make your own rules, and start building a business that's 100% yours? Starting your own business might seem like a distant dream, but it's a lot closer than you think. Stick around, because today I'm going to reveal the complete roadmap to turning that vision into a reality. Whether you're a total newbie or you've dabbled with business ideas before, this guide will cover everything you need to know to launch and grow your own successful business. Trust me, this is a game changer you don't want to miss. Are you tired of working for someone else, building their dream while your own goals fade into the background? What if I told you there's a way out, a step-by-step blueprint to take control of your life, make your own rules, and start building a business that's 100% yours? Starting your own business might seem like a distant dream, but it's a lot closer than you think. Stick around, because today I'm going to reveal the complete roadmap to turning that vision into a reality. Whether you're a total newbie or you've dabbled with business ideas before, this guide will cover everything you need to know to launch and grow your own successful business. Trust me, this is a game changer you don't want to miss. Step-by-step guide to starting your own business. Step 1. Find your business idea. Every great business starts with a great idea, but here's the thing, it doesn't have to be revolutionary. It could be a product you love, a service you're good at, or even a solution to a common problem. Ask yourself, what am I passionate about? What do people constantly ask me for advice on? That's your sweet spot. Step 2. Research your market. Now, this is where most people fail. They don't know who they're selling to. Research your audience, competitors, and industry. Find out if there's a demand for your idea. Tools like Google Trends and surveys can give you a real-world glimpse into what people want. Knowing your market can be the difference between a thriving business and one that struggles to survive. Step 3. Create a solid business plan. I know, it sounds boring, but trust me, this is your roadmap to success. Your business plan should include your goals, your target audience, how you'll make money, and what resources you'll need. The clearer this plan is, the easier it will be to execute and get others, like investors or partners, on board. Step 4. Secure funding. Unless you're sitting on a pile of cash, you'll probably need some initial funding to get started. This could come from savings, loans, investors, or even crowdfunding. The key is to know exactly how much you need to get the ball rolling. Remember, it's better to start small and scale up than to burn through your money too fast. Step 5. Register your business. Okay, now that you've got your idea, your plan, and your funding, it's time to make it official. Depending on where you are, you'll need to register your business, get a tax ID, and apply for any necessary licenses. It might seem like a headache, but once this is done, you're a legitimate business owner. Step 6. Build your brand and online presence. Branding isn't just a logo, it's how people perceive your business. Create a name, logo, and color scheme that resonates with your audience. Then, build a website and set up social media profiles. In today's world, if you're not online, you're invisible. Step 7. Start selling and market like crazy. Now comes the fun part, getting your product or service into the hands of customers. Launch with a bang. Use social media, ads, word of mouth, and partnerships to spread the word. Offer deals, engage with your audience, and always keep learning how to market better. Step 8. Learn, adjust, and grow. No business is perfect from day one. You'll face challenges, but the key is to learn from every mistake. Track your results, gather feedback from customers, and adapt. The faster you can adjust, the quicker you'll grow. Remember, business is a marathon, not a sprint. And there you have it, your complete guide to starting your own business. It may seem like a lot, but taking it one step at a time will get you there. The best part? Each of these steps brings you closer to a life of freedom, control, and unlimited potential. So, don't wait, start planning today. Now, I've shared a lot of value here, and I want to keep helping you on your journey to success. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. And if you're ready to make your entrepreneurial dreams a reality, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on more actionable tips on wealth, business, and financial freedom. Trust me, we're just getting started. Also, let me know in the comments, what's your business idea? I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget, Prince Sam Official loves you all, and I'll see you in the next video.